Have you ever had problems with your Australian Floetrol being too runny? I get it quite a bit, so I've decided to do some testing and see if I can combat that problem. And it worked, so I want to share it with you and help you fix that problem as well. So I'm testing this out as a pearl pour because that's what I do. If you use the Australian Floetrol as a cell activator, you could try just ditching the pouring medium in this recipe and seeing if that works for you. If it does, please let me know. I don't do those sorts of pours, so I don't really want to buy all the ingredients and test it out, but other people might be interested. So please leave a comment so that other people can read that as well, and I can let people know that yes, it does work. Okay, I'll see you at the end and explain what it is I've done. Hello again. Before I explain what I did, I just wanted to point out here, if anybody's watched me before, mine tend to react fairly slowly. This reacted really quickly. It started purling up fairly fast, so I thought that was quite interesting as well. And because of the addition of the gel in it, of course the gel is another acrylic, so my pearls were a lot smaller than they normally are as well. I also used a colour, a Lumiere colour that I haven't used before, the old brass. In the bottle it looked really nice, and I thought that will look quite nice over top of the earthy tones. But when I poured it out and put it on the canvas, I thought, oh, yuck, that looks really awful. But it dried beautiful. It's really, really nice when it's dry, so don't be put off by this painting. So we'll get on to what I did. What I have done here is I've mixed up my pouring medium. Normally it's 1 part golden gloss pouring medium and 3 parts Australian Floetrol. And I use that to mix my pearl mix as well. So my pearl mix is normally 50% enamel and 50% that pouring medium. What I've done is mixed up 1/2 part golden gloss regular gel and 1/2 part golden gloss pouring medium with 3 parts of Floetrol. And I've used that to mix with my enamel for my pearl mix as well. So both the pearl mix and the pour over mix has got 1/2 gel, 1/2 golden gloss pouring medium, 3 parts Floetrol in it, and it worked beautifully. Hopefully this helps you out, and if you strike the Runny Floetrol you'll know what to do. So think about subscribing, and please let me know in the comments if you've tried it and it worked for you. I'd love to hear from you. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now. Happy painting.